We have Baguyati on that side, and we are here near this overhead bridge, and the tracks are going towards the Bidhannagar terminus. Let's follow the tracks up to Bidhannagar terminus. This is the up line. It goes straight to the Bidhannagar terminus, and it takes a round, takes a loop, and then come out from the main crossing. And this is the single down line which goes towards Maniktala and Raja Bazar. Let's continue our walk towards Bidhannagar terminus. You can see these straight line marks on the road, and you may think what it is. They are derailment marks. The trams got derailed over here. This is the sign which shows that. So till 2020, before the pandemic hit, the trams used to go from here to the Bidhannagar terminus. The routes were there was only one route, which was route number 18, Howrah Bridge to Bidhannagar, and Raja Bazar depot used to provide the trams, and shuttle services were there from Raja Bazar depot to Bidhannagar terminus. This was a very popular route because in only 7 rupees you could travel from Howrah Bridge to Bidhannagar or anywhere before that. The roads are wide here. There is ample space. Then still, why can't trams fly over here? From here, tracks are turning right towards our terminus. And from here, the terminus is quite a bit far away, so we'll show the whole area in fast motion. Just see the condition of the tracks. So this is the Bidhannagar tram terminus. The standing capacity was around 3 trams at a time. Okay, this is the main terminus, which the tracks goes inside. One track goes inside and one goes straight away to the main road. The track which goes inside splits up into 2 more tracks. The gate is closed. I don't know how will I show you, but I still have a way. Let me show you from this side. As you can see, and this track, one tram used to stand here, 2 trams. and 2 more used to stand inside. So total around 4 trams used to stay here at a time. You can see that's the Bidhannagar train station, and this is the terminus. Just very close and very convenient to the passengers. This building is the terminus building. The terminus gate is not open, so I couldn't show you from inside, but I still managed to show something. Now, instead of trams, autos stand here. It has become an auto stand. As you can see, all the autos are standing on the tram tracks. And this is the out gate. From here, trams used to come out of the Bidhannagar tram terminus. The door is locked from inside. And let me manage to show you something. Yeah. Now this is a clear vision. You can see 2 tracks are there. There was no shed. The 2 trams used to stand side by side over here at a time. Now continuing our journey, this was the terminus and the trams used to exit from here. That's the main road which is going towards Khandna crossing and then Hathi Bagan. From here, the tracks are taking right towards Bidhannagar main crossing, and from that crossing it takes right again to get together with the inline, the track which came up from this side, and it goes towards then Maniktala crossing and Raja Bazar. So the track is here. Track is going straight towards Maniktala crossing. I hope you can see. I'm not going up to that point. So this is the whole terminus. This is the exit point, and this is Bidhannagar road station. To just see how small space it was and small distance it was, and it was so convenient for the passengers to take a tram and go to their office or respected places.